Today's tutorial, how to create new PDFs using IronPDF C#. Welcome back to the channel, everybody. So there are 3 different ways to create a PDF in C#, and by the end of this video, you'll know how to do all 3. A blank document you can build from scratch, a copy of an existing file saved under a new name, and a pixel-accurate PDF rendered from a live web page, all with IronPDF. So let's learn how. Setup first. Open the NuGet Package Manager, search for IronPDF, and then add it to your project. Then head to program.cs and add the IronPDF namespace at the top and set your license key. Boom, we're done. So let's start simple with a brand new blank PDF. We instantiate a new PDF document with a custom page size and then save it straight to disk as blankpage.pdf. That's a real valid PDF with nothing on it, ready for you to just add content. Next, working with a file that already exists, we load sample.pdf with pdf-document.fromFile, then immediately call save as to write it back out under a new name, export.pdf in this case. And that's how you duplicate and resave a PDF after you've modified it. Same document, new file, one line each way. Now the one people actually tuned in for, and that's turning a web page into a PDF. This is where the Chrome PDF render earns its keep. Before we render, we tune it through its rendering options. I'll set enable JavaScript to true so dynamic content actually runs. Turn on print HTML backgrounds so colors and images come through. Switch on responsive CSS rendering, and then add a render delay to give those dynamic pages just a beat to finish loading. Those 4 settings are the difference between a PDF that looks like a real site and one that looks broken. With the renderer configured, we'll point it at anything, so a live URL or a local HTML file. Here, I'll call render URL as PDF on the IronPDF website itself, and then save the result as url.pdf. You could just as easily write it to a stream or to memory if you're handing it back from an API. All right, let's go ahead and run it and generate those files. It's doing its thing. All right, and here we go. 3 PDFs, a blank page, a exported copy of an existing file, and a fully rendered PDF built from a live URL. That's 3 approaches, 1 library. And this is just creating PDFs. From here, IronPDF will also merge, split, and edit documents, add headers and footers, apply watermarks, all from HTML that you already know how to write. All right, if that was useful, the IronPDF free trial gives you the full library to test on all your own files. There's a link in the description, so go ahead and go to the site, download and install. And if you're interested in more .NET PDF tutorials, we got many more coming, so make sure you subscribe.